Fix no verification email from Ubisoft. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If not your internet or Wi-Fi connection, make sure that you have switched to cellular data. Next, what you can do is make sure that you have your updated version of the Ubisoft application. After that, what you need to do is make a long press on Ubisoft application and tap on app info. Then you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that, then tap on OK, then go to app permissions and make sure that you allow the camera as well as the files and media to be toggled on for allowing option. Now get back, and after that you can also check your email so that you get to see that there is enough storage to receive the emails and notifications on your email. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.